welcome to another episode of the NLHF Cooking School. So we're doing a buckwheat pasta.
That's correct. So yeah, we're doing buckwheat flour pasta, so it's going to turn into your grain again. Nice and healthy, and we'll fold it through a little bit of bolognese. Obviously you can put it through whatever you want, but I'll make the pasta dough, we'll roll it out to a fettuccine and go from there.
So we're making this one from scratch, which is good.
Yep. Slightly
Slightly different to the store-bought one, so yeah, let's get started.
For sure. Okay, so first we're going to start, we're going to make the pasta dough. So we've got a full cup of buckwheat flour, half a cup of tapioca flour, 1 egg, a few pinches of salt. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're just going to get that into the machine, into the KitchenAid, until it's starting to get like a crummy consistency. And then we're just going to add probably maybe 2 tablespoons of water just to bring it together like a nice dough. Just going to put it into our KitchenAid on 1. Okay, so see now it's starting to get little crummy bits of your mixture. That's what you're after. So now we're just going to add roughly 2 tablespoons of water just to bring it to a nice dough. Okay, so that's what we're after. So now I'm going to finish it with the machine now and put it over onto the bench and knead it till it comes into a nice smooth dough. A little bit of flour. Either way you can use tapioca flour or buckwheat flour. And just knead the dough. Okay, so now we've kneaded the dough into a nice round ball, nice and smooth. And we'll just let that sit covered with a wet rag, just so it doesn't dry out. And let it sit for maybe 2 minutes, and then we'll start rolling it out and putting it through the machine. We've got our pasta dough ready to start rolling. We've got some water on the back here. We'll put the water on, get that boiling while we're rolling our pasta dough out. So just want to cut him up in about 4 pieces. Always flour your bench. If you didn't have a pasta machine, that's fine, just do it by hand, roll it out. But obviously a pasta machine makes life a lot easier.
So you just adjust one setting at a time, is that correct?
That's correct, yeah. That's correct. So I like to do 2 rolls on number 1, 1 roll on number 2, and then see where it's at from there. Okay, good. Okay, so we've put it through twice now, and we've gone to number 2. We're just going to put it through the fettuccine maker. Like that. And there. A little bit of flour through it. Okay. Okay, so now our pasta's ready made and good to go. We're going to cook it in boiling water. A few pinches of salt. Okay, so put him straight into the boiling water. Should we give him a stir, move him around a bit? Just be careful not to break it too much.
And because that's fresh pasta, is that going to cook even quicker?
Yeah, so roughly 2 minutes it should be ready to go.
And what's a packet pasta cost? Like take? Is it about 7 minutes or something?
Yeah, something like that. Dry packet pasta. Fresh pasta is always best to go. And we're just going to strain him off. not to burn your edges. Got our bolognese here heating up. What we're going to do now is fold the pasta through the bolognese. Like I said at the start, you could put whatever you want through this. For a carbonara, Alfredo, whatever you want, fold it through, the lentil bolognese, and yeah. Okay, so let's plate up our bolognese fettuccine. So this dish should be perfect with a little bit of maybe some paleo cheese, cashew feta, fresh herbs through it as you would any other pasta, but a nice, simple, healthy alternative to your grainy pasta.